Easy Clean lid is designed to eliminate nooks and crannies where dirt and grime could get trapped. Pop-up straw features a spill-proof valve that prevents spills even when spout is open. BPA-free plastic lid and body are top-rack dishwasher-safe for easy cleanups. Straw is a cinch to disassemble for thorough cleaning but stays tethered so there are no loose parts to misplace. Kids enjoy an easy one-handed drinking experience at the push of a button. For ages 3 and up. Top reviews from the United States. The perfect toddler water bottles. As our 2-year-old son has transitioned to water bottles, sippy cups, we've literally run the gamut trying different brands styles looking to find the right fit. Pretty much all of them have had one issue or another. Some weren't leak-proof, others not dishwasher-safe, others requiring the user to bite the straw which just isn't what he's ready for yet. Stumbled across this kid version of the Contigo water bottles I've used myself for years and boy am I glad I did. They are the perfect fit for Junior's daily use, the size is right, the push-button unlock is easy enough for him to handle, it's leak-proof, dishwasher-safe, and let's be honest, who doesn't love sharks' dinosaurs? Also super important, these have proven to be very durable. We rotate between the two that came in the pack so they are in the dishwasher basically every other day and have withstood the test of time. After 6 months of beatings they show only some little scuff marks here and there, but this is an outdoorsy kid that drops them on the concrete frequently. The design has started to disappear a little bit, but again they are run through the dishwasher quite often so this is to be expected. But mechanically, they are in as good a working order as they were the day we got them. Super satisfied to say the least. Well, let him beat these up for the summer and get some shiny new ones for preschool in the fall that I am confident we'll be just as happy with.